Hello whole class. In today's English lesson, we're carrying on thinking about spelling some of those number words. In our last lesson, we did numbers 1 to 10 with those number word spellings, and in today's lesson, we're looking at the way to spell numbers 11 to 20. Let's have a look at them now. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. And we noticed in class, didn't we, that a lot of these numbers finish with the sound teen, and Miss Crease has told us that really that means like a 10 plus some other bits. So 14 is a 10 and 4 ones. 15 is a 10 and 5 ones. It's a bit tricky because in English, our number words don't always follow that pattern, do they? But for some of the numbers, they do. Okay, so just be careful also when you say those numbers that you pronounce that part of the word, you say it clearly. Okay, because 19, if you don't say it clearly, can sound a bit like 90 or 70, 17, 70. You've got to say it clearly so your friends and your teachers know which number you're on about. Okay, let's have a little look at this. So here's the question. How many buttons are there? So there's the capital letter. And here's the question mark at the end of the sentence. And we're going to count them and complete this sentence here. Again, there's our capital letter. And this time we just need a full stop at the end because it's not a question, it's a statement. It's going to tell us something. There are buttons. Okay, for this one, I'll cross them off as we count to make it a little bit easier. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Right, let's find 18. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So for this one, we spell the number 8 first, and then we add the een part. Okay. E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N. There are 18 buttons. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Oh, we've got some ladybirds. This time, try and count them as I pull back the screen. So at the moment, we can see 3, can't we? So we'll count on from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so if the question was this, how many ladybirds, and ladybirds is all one word, it's 2 words stuck together, how many ladybirds are there? My question mark. And then I would like you to write there are, and the number we counted, ladybirds, with a full stop at the end. If you've forgotten how many, then count them again now. You can pause the video and take a little look at the spellings and find that number word. Okay, The next slide, we've got some beautiful flowers. So here's my question. How many flowers are there? How many flowers are there? There are, and you can count them, flowers. There are flowers. In this one, if you can count in threes, you might be able to count them more quickly. You could say 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, this one's a little bit trickier because here's the question. Now, this will be tricky. How many ducklings are there? So I don't want you to include the mother duck, the big duck here. I just want the ducklings. They're the little baby ones. And then can you write your own sentence now? There are, and finish that sentence for me. So count how many ducklings and then write the number word. There are ducklings. Don't forget your full stop at the end. Now, what have we got here? Let's have a little look. Oh, we've got some lovely balloons. And these balloons, some of them are in a little group. So you can already see there's 3 here. You should be able to know straight away that there's 5 in that little group. You can see 2 together in the middle. So count up those balloons. And here's your question. How many balloons are there? And you can write your sentence. There are balloons. And in this one, this is our final slide. Oh, how many did you think? Have a quick guess. I'm going to show you again and cover it. So have a good look at the magpies. How many are in the tree? Get ready. You're having a good guess. You're estimating. What do you think? Ooh, do you think there might be more than 20? Do you think there's less than 10? I'll show you once more. Okay, so the question is, how many magpies are there? How many magpies are there? Okay, I'll let you have a good count now. So that's your final sentence for today. There are magpies. You could say there are magpies in the tree. Make your sentence a little bit longer. Well done, everybody. Bye.